Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about 9 reasons why you should consume black garlic. Okay, what is black garlic? It's basically a slightly heated and aged garlic. It's fermented. Okay, they heat it at 170 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 days. Okay, now the purpose of doing this is severalfold. One is to take the intensity out of that strong, pungent sulfur smell, as well as the taste. It's kind of hard to consume raw garlic. So when you ferment it, you increase the bioavailability of nutrients, but you also decrease the intensity of certain factors that make it easier to consume. And the texture is completely different, and the taste is completely different. But the benefits of this garlic, it'll decrease pathogens, like decrease viruses in the body, bacteria, funguses, candida, all these unfriendly guys. Number 2, it decreases inflammatory conditions. If you have arthritis, or just inflammation in general in your colon. It's really good for leaky gut. It decreases insulin resistance significantly, so it's great for diabetics. It will improve your immune system and your immune system's ability to fight off infection. Number 5, nutrient-rich, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. And number 6, this is a real key point. It increases the bioavailability of nutrients, so the absorption of nutrients. You will consume more nutrients when it's fermented than if it's raw, because there are certain things in raw garlic that prevent a full absorption of these nutrients. Number 7, phytonutrients. Okay. Number 8, decreased risk of cancer significantly. Number 9, decreased risk of cardiovascular problems like heart problems, plaquing, clotting, stroke, high blood pressure. So go ahead and try this out and tell me what you think. Hey, I appreciate your attention, and if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and subscribe, and I will definitely keep you updated on future events, live events, and webinars that we're going to do very soon.